So, even though we're good Christian people, I don't know if Chavus has talked about this.
I doubt it,
He gave up some swear words. It's going on his second week, and I am so proud of him. And Chase, Chase is testing you, isn't he?
Yeah, he's my trigger.
Where does that need to go, and I'll do it?
Under the car to this thing, and I mean, he's my trigger.
Here, where?
Please sing at the bottom of your lungs, or the top of your lungs so they can hear us all the way up there, whichever you prefer. This is far behind.
You let me choose today's adventure.
And what'd we pick?
We rented a golf cart, and we have been riding it illegally everywhere, apparently.
Yes.
We were told there were golf cart trails. There is not.
Yes. So, this poor guy's golf cart. We're paying for it fair and square, but we're running down this little road. It says authorized vehicles only, and I feel like we're authorized.
We're street legal.
Yeah. So we should have every right to run up and down this sidewalk. So we did Candlebox and Three Doors Down Thursday night.
Right. No, Wednesday night.
Wednesday night. And then last night we just sat out by the motorhome and relaxed. And here's Friday. We're on this adventure for a couple hours now, riding this golf cart illegally all through Orange Beach. And I think tomorrow we're planning on some jet skis,
I'm
right?
so excited.
And then
Going to the concert tomorrow night.
Saturday night we got Laney Wilson and Eric Church at the wharf. And the kids are melting down at home without us, but you know, maybe they can keep it together till we get back. So anyway, alright. I gotta go. We coming up on the ball field now. So funny story. We were coming out of the gas station after we hot rodded down the side of the road it was a legit golf cart trail. It was a little dirt path. So we cut across the gas station, was coming out the other side right here at the wharf. And this dang truck looked like he was gonna hit us. Adrian said, "Oh God, he's gonna hit us." And he rolled the window down and he said, "You better watch out, you get run over around here." And I'm like, yeah, and Chris Smith, one of our old racing buddies. So you just never know who you're gonna run into. But anyway, pretty cool. So now we are in the wharf property now. And we're hung up behind a track hook. I
just know my limits, and I know who I can outrun and who I
I
can't.
think we can get around him. She got him. So one other thing, we just went around the track. Oh, we got somebody else coming around you, it looks like.
Can't pass.
Yeah. Well, stomp the gas where they can't
This
pass
is
you.
as fast as it goes.
That's all you got, huh? So coming up right here, so the Wharf Amphitheater where we listen to all the concerts is right over here. And this is where the trucks are parked. So that was over there. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but here at church, it's trucks. fixing to go find us something to eat over here. That's that. Good times.
And say,
What we doing?
Waiting on an Uber.
We people watching.
Okay.
We closing out your 42nd birthday. People
Okay.
watching.
You almost bailed on me. You realize you just told me that, right?
Yeah. Not on purpose. I come down with an illness last night.
Conveniently.
Not on purpose. And I've apologized, and you told me to quit apologizing, so I'm not going to apologize anymore. I made it. Awesome concert.
That Ferris was pretty.
It is.
The concert was amazing.
Yeah. Smile. What's going on, everybody? Long time no see. What you working on, Rob?
all little electrical plug,
Electrical.
trying to short something out.
Hope not.
No.
So this is the cord for the fuel tank out there.
Sorry.
Getting ready to go on the road, and Rock's making sure we got some power for the pump to get that done from Mr. Michael with Apex Fabrication and Diesel.
Fine, folks.
Absolutely. I didn't get to meet him, but I'm sure I'm gonna meet him soon. Adrian and I are back in town. The guys have been busy, as y'all can see, getting after it. And Chase and Avery are over here assembling some stuff. What are y'all? What's going on over here?
Well, Avery just took the brain board
Starting a
out of
business.
Starting another business.
Yeah. Don't ask
So-
me how, but we'll know what we're doing.
So anybody want to explain what this is here?
It's a laser.
A laser.
A laser.
You gotta cut this
Cut what part?
right here.
So anyway, this is a laser that I purchased. Something that I've been very interested in. I've been intrigued by it, and I started researching, and just wanted to bail into it. And what my goal is here is to be able to make personalized merchandise for Chase Holland Racing, and actually be able to customize stuff with the help of Avery, Mikey, myself, Chase, Rocky. We're going to come up with all kinds of ideas. I've got a lot of ideas of things that I'm going to do that's going to give us a way to possibly take some of these used parts off of this car, customize them, laser etch them, and it's an engraver, etcher. We can make tumblers with it. We can make keychains. It cuts out acrylic, so I'm thinking we're going to make the little door panels and got
Tell 'em, son, we do just about
We-
everything but mend a broken heart.
I mean, we may be able to do that here
That's
before
what I'm
long. Give us a minute to get used to it. But I can see all kinds of things. And what really got me going on that is when I was doing these trophies, when I was building the trophies for my dad's race, I had to get the these plates. I don't know if you can see, but y'all know what I'm talking about, these plates right here. I had to get them made locally, and it took a lot of time out of my day to go meet up with a lady and try to explain to her what I was trying to do and what I wanted. And anyway, just to do that little detail on the trophy, it made me start looking into other options, and I'm excited about it. And this little unit here that I bought is a portable laser, but it's not super powerful, but it'll do a lot of stuff. And I'm sure in the videos to come, we'll be showing y'all what all it's capable of. Looks like Avery's going to try to get it up and going here today, and maybe we can play around on it in a little bit and video and show y'all what we're getting into here. So that's that for now. Update on the car. Anybody want to update on the car? It is Tuesday morning around it's probably around 11. Okay. And this thing's race ready. Almost.
Yeah, almost.
It's got a little list of things that need. I see the springs are on the ground, everything.
Yeah, are you out here to weld?
No, I'm not. No. So.
All right. Well, y'all are gonna have a little fat video of me welding.
So we had a great weekend with Adrian's birthday celebration. I'm sure by now I've probably put in a couple little clips of that, and been out of pocket, but they've been working on getting the engines back in. So this has been the mid-season teardown, and we pulled both engines out. Chase took them to Mullins. Both engines are fresh now. Well, this one is the fresh Mullins. They ended up putting Big Bird in that car back there, which is the USRA USMTS car. This is going to be the UMP car, and we have a whole plan on what we're going to do from now on our racing. We're going out on the road with two separate cars that are legal for each sanction, a UMP sanction legal car and a USRA sanction legal car. And when we hit the road, we can go anywhere at any time at any track that runs UMP or USRA, and that's the plan. So you may see us at a track near you in the upcoming season and possibly in the next season. We fixing to go cross country. We fixing to travel quite a bit and try not to hit the same place twice is the plan. So if y'all want to start dropping names of tracks that you'd like to see us at, we're going to start making a list. So let us know. But for right now, we got to get them ready. I think this coming weekend, Friday night, Chase, talk to me.
Friday night we'll be at Paducah International Raceway. Saturday,
Kentucky.
we're going to Clarksville, Tennessee.
Clarksville, Tennessee, Saturday night.
And then Adams County and Quincy, Illinois.
There you go. Friday, Saturday, Sunday this weekend. Don't really know any further out. Probably going to be weather permitting, and it could be anywhere or it could be nowhere, but we'll keep y'all updated. If y'all don't follow us on Facebook, a lot of times when we're headed somewhere, we post it on Facebook, so keep your eye out on Facebook to see where we're going to be. Other than that, I guess we'll come back later when Avery's got some stuff going on over here. That's that. Turn this on. All right, first cut, etch, whatever you want to call this. Somebody can't stay focused because they're too worried about what we're doing over here. But is it ready, Avery?
Try. It ain't go.
Did you frame it, outline it? You did all that?
Yeah.
There's a stop button. Did you do that? Over
I
here?
know what that is.
Yeah.
yeah,
it's fixed.
yeah, we
That's
did
why
that.
it wouldn't turn on at first.
Okay.
Safety stop's got to be flipped.
Start processing it.
Yeah, you're supposed to do it. I've watched enough videos. I should know how to do this.
I'm gonna have to build a wall right
Get over
here.
there, big dog.
I can't fit. It's too tight.
Okay, Mikey.
I would, but
Yeah.
I
Mikey's
didn't wear
famous thing is like he told me he was driving the gray toter home the other day, and I handed him the keys and said, "Get in it, let's go." And he said, "I don't have my boots, I can't drive."
boots. He's wearing shorts.
Yeah.
yeah, because he needs boots to drive.
She's gonna panic in a minute. Ain't she?
Yeah. What exactly are we printing there? That looks like diamond plate.
Business card.
Georgia Holland.
So that's aluminum.
Yes, it is aluminum. So you just wasn't ready yet? All right. So cut this off, or you about ready?
Cut it off.
Oh, that's it. Here, that's a razor blade.
So I watched the video, and you can say that this is a 2 by 3 inch cord.
Yes.
Put it in the top
Yes.
grid up
Then
there,
do it.
and it'll
Get your caliper. I'm being serious.
It's a 2 by 3. That's
Okay.
what it is.
It's millimeters though. So get your calipers.
You can set it in inches.
Okay, we'll do it then. Avery, let him touch it. He is right about that.
That's not lined
That
up.
boy can drive.
Babe, just leave her be for a second, and then we'll.
Yeah, he knows how to do that.
Guinness. Here we go. He's in something.
Inches. There we go.
Does it move that purple line in? Is that what it does?
Yes. So that's your outline, that purple line. That's caution when processing flammable material.
There we
There we
go.
Something's happening. Something's
It
happening.
did it.
That quick?
There ain't no. Woo!
What?
Whoa, you still got a laser, Chase.
No, you don't. That's the bullseye thing.
It did that quick. Oh my God!
Talk to me, Rock.
Oh yes, I.
We got something here.
Man,
Rock.
did you see that?
That was awesome.
Quick!
We in business.
Are y'all okay? You know what we should do? I made that nugget logo. We need
He
to.
said, "Oh, we're doing something."
Yeah.
He took over and now he's.
He shut you down.
He's an intergalactic
and guess what
genius.
else has stopped? The production on this. Avery, let's start working on the race car body.
So I'm thinking.
So looks like this needs a line drawn on it right here. Oh, you fix to change the suspension under the back of it. Look, come here.
7/16's up.
Cut this right here. Just put a mark on it.
Yeah. Where's the cutters?
Or
Here,
don't
give me
put a
that.
mark.
No,
Get it.
here, I got
Here's the way I used to do it. I just get something sharp and don't what? I'm just gonna etch it right here. Is that in
Got it?
place? Is
No.
that back where it's supposed to?
Yeah, perfect.
You got it clamped.
It's good. Here, pass me that. Yeah.
Just look. You just want to get in it. Oh.
Oh.
Hold it straight.
That sounded bad.
Well, it's hard to hold the camera and do this.
Yeah.
You got it?
Got it.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Look, if you cut one of them 4 lines I just drew.
Ready?
Oh, we're gonna cut her with the jigsaw? Okay. We can do that in place.
You might need a battery.
You get her Bluetooth, Dave. I'll sign her.
Well, I'm thinking, look, we're gonna do like old lug nuts. And if we all sign on this thing,
Yeah.
it'll etch our signature on a grain of rice. Yeah, then it'll etch on a lug nut. So this is round 2.
This is Avery's
So
turn.
what took the longest was getting this over to this.
No, it was changing the color of that. That was
But
white.
but the problem is y'all are wide open, and anytime I say something, I get gnawed on. But like you took it and you got the G cut off, and I tried to tell you, and you got mad at me for saying anything.
Don't touch the tape.
Yeah, so. But that is pretty cool right there.
reason it's taking so long is because it's embossing it instead of.
What does that mean?
I don't know. 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Wow. Wow. That is really cool.
Avery Holland Media Company, if y'all need anything.
The young Quinn. Because the G's cut off. That is pretty awesome, though.
Ain't that quick?
Yeah.
I mean,
You approve, boss?
I'm gonna do my plan.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There's no, where's this go? 2 minute bosses. On top of my whole. On top of your.
Why does it keep
I
cutting?
don't know, but apparently you need to leave her a little big, huh? What you running from? Where you headed? You in a hurry? What's going on, Rock?
oh, a little electrical.
A little electrical? That could be why the lights are blinking when the air conditioner turns on. Yassa. So, that looked like that was fixing to be a situation.
You can look at the wire.
You know,
I cut the good part off.
have you seen this here, buddy? This.
I felt it while we were going down the road.
What did I tell you about this?
I don't want to talk about
About 3 weeks ago, I told you to fix it. And what'd you tell me? First, you told me it was done. You said it was already taken care of. You told me that plug was changed out. So when I came home,
did not.
you did.
No, I didn't. I said I got it taken care of. That doesn't mean, hey,
I got it taken care of. Okay, anyway, I got home from my trip this weekend and you were parked in my spot first thing. And then, what, you got problems over there?
yeah, I
Something
got
else
other-
wrong?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
So, first thing I did was touch this plug when I got home and it was still hot. And I asked him about it and he got crappy with me, blew a gasket. And I was like, dude, if your motorhome burns down beside my motorhome and burns my motorhome down,
That's a lawsuit.
and
a whooping.
yes, sir. That's where I'm headed with it. So, anyway, he just doing it his way.
No, he's doing it right this way.
This is crazy. And me, I mean, I would put another whole set of these in this thing in case we're out on the road and something like this happens.
I think he's got them.
Okay. Well, I think I told him to buy duplicates. Man, that could have been bad right there, right? I wonder how this plug is out here.
Which,
The one that it plugs into to the trailer.
this is the one it plugs into.
Well, which one?
This is the one coming from the generator.
Okay.
This is the one. Feel like.
Yeah, this one's still messed up, man. You
Uh-huh.
just ain't got to it yet, huh?
Correct.
Dang.
Got that? What are they up to?
I don't know.
They grinning like Chester.
Yeah, we're gonna go find out.
Copyright music playing.
Oh, we got a quarter panel. We're getting there. What?
Where have you
When
been
we leaving?
Where have you been all week?
I've been sick, buddy. But I'm better now.
We can tell. We can tell.
Did you miss me?
Yeah. One's sitting on the ground back
Is that the one we're running?
there. No.
Okay. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you touched that laser yet?
I truly have.
Good.
Your other child is like standing over it.
She ain't here now. I'm fixing.
Want
Tell you what, let's see what she did.
I told Mikey and Rocky you was gonna be fired up. She's used every piece of
Exactly what I told her not to do.
Flip it over.
It is pretty
There's
cool.
another one somewhere she did. I think that one. Tried to put Nugget on there and it was messed up.
What in the world? Oh, it's the wrong. Coaster. She did that one. That's pretty sharp. And we got Holland Racing. What else she got? 45, a young gun. Did she ever cut into these? Because she was trying to, and I told her not to. I think she used up her dog tags. Yeah, she used up her dog tags. We got a, I don't know if you can see it. It says Chase Holland Racing's Shop Cat. So, yeah. Just some little test pieces here.
Scroll cam. Okay.
Chase, have you done this picture of Haley?
I did do it. It was really cool.
Where is it?
I got stuff to do.
Where is
We'll talk later. So,
Thank you, buddy. Won't you hook it up for me while Daddy's holding it?
He's got stuff he needs to be working on. This we're supposed to be dividing and conquering.
Don't. Dude, do you know how hard it was to hook this up? Don't.
What is he doing? Are we supposed to be pulling the other way?
Yes.
When that pulls that whole drawer. So, even though we're good Christian people, I don't know if Chavus has talked about this. He gave up some swear words. It's going on his second week, and I am so proud of him. And Chase. Chase has tested me recently.
Yeah. He's my trigger.
Where does that need to go and I'll do it?
Under the car to this thing, and I mean, he's my trigger. There's a lot left to be done, and it just ain't getting done.
It is.
Chase, I'm making you a toast.
Pepper, get off of it. Okay, I got it. Is that good?
I think so. You did well.
teamwork. Hoorah.
What you working on?
The nose.
So what do we have here?
We got a mess. Some reason, every new body that gets put on they start back here and then they leave it. Hey, you mind finishing that up? And this is the worst. It's always the biggest mess, worst part, and the first thing to get knocked off. Turn the camera off.
Are you stressed?
I'm cool.
Are you glad your dad's helping?
Glad is an understatement.
Did you hear that? What's up?
Did you fix it?
Fix what? Kinda.
Okay.
Don't show this.
Thursday, you were leaving.
I was, and then Paducah just canceled, so which sucks.
But
It sucks. It sucks.
What's going on, everybody?
What's up?
What's happening? So it is Thursday morning. We were headed to Paducah International Raceway, Speedway, and they heated out yesterday. Yep. So, and we're feeling it. Like, I just walked out here, and across my yard, my grass is crisp. It's just breaking as you step on it. Dry. You know, what little bit of rain we had is not enough for this kind of heat. But as y'all know, I don't know if y'all videoed anything since you've been putting the wrap on.
No, we haven't.
This is the brand new look. This is the Mike Drury design right here. This is the real deal. He designed this, and our friends at Lookout Graphics cut it out for us. But this is Mikey's get up right here, and I'm very happy with it. I think they're happy with it. It's a really good looking wrap. Really pops. I love this gray body. We ain't had this since we first started racing. We did a gray body one time, but it is really short. They're not quite done yet. Got several more stickers to go on here. And Drury Designs, get you some. Really cool look. So anyway, Paducah canceled, and that's where we were headed to. So now we're going to Lincoln. What's the?
Man, there's like 18 Lincolns. It's Lincoln, I think Speedway, Greencastle, Indiana.
Indiana, okay. And then that's Saturday night, and then Sunday we're going to be at Adams County,
Quincy, Illinois.
Quincy, Illinois, in Illinois, not Indiana, for Sunday night. And the weather's supposed to be really pretty there Sunday. It's supposed to be the highs in the 80, or high of 80. So, and overnight it's going to be in the 60s. So looking forward to that, but we got to drive through some serious heat to get there. So we're going to try to break it up into 2 days of driving. And we're just looking to race and mainly go out and meet some new people. That's what our goal is right here to finish this season out. So don't be surprised if we don't show up at a home track near you. So just keep your eyes on our Facebook page, and we'll try to keep everybody alert of what's going on. So, but this is a UMP car. The USRA, USMTS car is ready and ready to hit the trailer. So we got 2 different cars. And while we're out on the road, if we decide to drop in somewhere, we got what we need to go either way. So, all right, I'm gonna let these guys get back to work. Just wanted to close this video out and thank y'all for everything. And we're about to roll. Let's get it.
Yeah.